go nowhere. Let's create skirt steak, and this one is going to be delicious. See the marbles? You know, the thing about skirt steak is kind of similar to flank steak. Both of them are kind of chewy and delicious, but this one have a longer cut. I think it's from the belly, and this one is not going to be beef. This one is going to be bison. So it's leaner and it's going to require special touch. Both the beef and the bison type of skirt, they're going to cook quickly. And once again, they're tough, so you might want to serve it with something that can add some of that juice, additional juiciness. Because that, it's very, very nice. It's very nice. So all you need is a little bit of salt. That's all, both sides. Make sure this is at room temperature. In fact, after you put the salt, because the salt can absorb some of the liquid, make sure, leave it out for about 15-20 minutes so the process of absorption reverse and the salt make the juices return even juicier. Okay? It is. Cast iron. I have it at high heat because I want it very hot. And I'm using some sunflower oil. Why not, right? You can use any type of oil. Not a lot, just enough to cover the surface area. Make sure the heat is ready. I said about a minute on one side. Then I'm going to flip it. And I'm going to do about 45 seconds on the other, okay?